Is it time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we're diving deep into VOO. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 30th of August, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive a free price prediction and in-depth analysis for anyone among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 15th of August, 2024, our system has identified VOO as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 4.76. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has achieved a gain of 1.91%. This results in an average return of 0.16% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is positioned in the upper segment of a weak rising trend in the short term. This typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a downturn towards the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $525.68 would indicate a stronger upward movement. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 2.46% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from negative 5.25% to positive 3.98%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 31.82% over the next year, with a possible return between 23.42% and 36.42%. This translates to a price range of $639.31 to $706.65 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for VOO features the headline: VOO ETF price concluded at $517.99 on Friday after achieving a gain of 0.93%. The VOO ETF price increased by 0.93% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 30th of August, 2024, rising from $513.21 to $517.99. During this trading day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 1.26%, with a low of $512.13 and a high of $518.58. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 1.68% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume has increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 2 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 5 million shares exchanged hands for approximately $2.610 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $519.40, while the lowest price stood at $375.95. Currently, the price is 0.27%, or $1.41, below the 52-week high of $519.40, which is also the all-time high for this ETF. The Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, commonly referred to as VOO, has gained significant traction among investors, particularly as the S&P 500 has reached unprecedented highs, closing at record levels 38 times in the year 2024 alone. Investors often grapple with the anxiety of entering the market at peak valuations. However, historical trends indicate that investing in the S&P during such peaks can be a fruitful long-term strategy. Recently, the S&P 500 demonstrated its resilience, surging 1.5% during a week of notable volatility and maintaining an impressive year-to-date gain of 18.8%. VOO effectively mirrors the performance of this diverse index, offering straightforward access to large-cap U.S. stocks. With its low expense ratios and passive management style, VOO is particularly appealing for those seeking an economical way to invest without needing extensive market expertise. The growing preference for exchange-traded funds like VOO over traditional indices, such as the Dow Jones, underscores its advantages in terms of diversification and risk mitigation. As more investors acknowledge these benefits, demand for VOO may escalate, potentially pushing its price higher in both the short and long term. With the increasing interest in broad market investments, VOO emerges as a strategic option for constructing a well-rounded portfolio. Consistent inflows into this ETF could serve as a stabilizing factor in the current market landscape, making it a focal point for investors aiming to leverage the robust performance of the broader market. The following signals have been identified for VOO. The chart today shows mostly positive signals. The VOO ETF is receiving buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average sits above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected at $514.79 and $503.59. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Monday, August 5, 2024, and since then, there has been an increase of 9%. Further growth is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is also present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. The volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a positive technical indicator. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 20 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 18 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 13 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 10 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 15 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 18 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 192 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $489.91 and $479.94. There is an inherent risk when an exchange-traded fund tests a support level. If that level is breached, it may drop to the next support level. In this case, VOO finds support just below today's level at $489.91. If this level fails, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $479.94 and $475.20. This exchange-traded fund experiences average movements throughout the day, and given the solid trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the exchange-traded fund fluctuated $6.45 between its high and low, which translates to 1.26%. For the past week, the exchange-traded fund has seen an average daily volatility of 1.03%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for VOO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for VOO is at $519.07. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be an opportunity to consider swing trading. On the downside, VOO faces its first support level at $489.91. If this support holds, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $500.38, reflecting a decrease of 3.4%. This exchange-traded fund experiences moderate daily fluctuations, which translates to a medium level of risk. The relative strength index for a 14-day period stands at 80, significantly heightening the risk. Notably, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified 33 days ago. Is VOO ETF a good buy? Several short-term signals, combined with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level presents a potential buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for VOO ETF to perform well in the near future. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 3rd of September, we anticipate VOO to open lower by $1.76, beginning trading at $516.23. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.